Cody Rhodes, whose real name is Cody Garrett Runnels, was born on June 30, 1985, in Georgia, into one of the most iconic wrestling families in history. His father, Dusty Rhodes, was not just a wrestler but a cultural phenomenon known as the American Dream, a man who connected with audiences through passion, charisma, and heart. Growing up in such an environment, Cody was surrounded by the world of professional wrestling from a very young age, watching his father perform in front of massive crowds and learning the values of hard work, resilience, and storytelling inside the ring. His older brother, Dusty Rhodes, famously known as Goldust, also played a major role in shaping Cody's understanding of the business. However, despite this strong legacy, Cody did not want to rely only on his family name. He wanted to build his own identity. During his early years, Cody proved himself as a talented amateur wrestler in high school, showing discipline and competitive spirit. He could have taken different career paths, but his passion for wrestling pushed him toward WWE, where he officially signed in 2006 and started training in Ohio Valley Wrestling OVW, the company's developmental territory at the time. Those early years were crucial, as Cody worked hard to refine his in-ring ability, character work, and overall presence. In 2007, he made his main roster debut and quickly captured attention by winning the World Tag Team Championship with Hardcore Holly. It was a strong start, but it was clear that Cody still had a long journey ahead before becoming a main event superstar. Cody's career took an important turn when he teamed up with Ted DiBiase Jr. to form the faction known as Legacy, led by Randy Orton. This storyline gave him valuable exposure on WWE television and allowed fans to see his potential as part of a bigger narrative. Even though he was not the central figure, working alongside a top star like Randy Orton helped Cody grow in confidence and performance. After Legacy ended, WWE experimented with his character by introducing the dashing Cody Rhodes persona, where he portrayed a narcissistic, appearance-obsessed individual. While the gimmick gained some popularity, it eventually evolved into the undashing version after a storyline injury, where Cody wore a mask and became more aggressive and psychologically complex. Despite these changes, it became increasingly clear that WWE was not fully utilizing his true potential. In 2016, Cody made one of the boldest decisions of his career. He requested his release from WWE at a time when leaving WWE was seen as a huge risk. Cody chose to bet on himself. What followed was one of the most remarkable reinventions in modern wrestling history. He traveled across the world, performing in independent promotions, Ring of Honor, and New Japan Pro Wrestling and JPW, where he faced top-tier talent and proved that he was far more than just a mid-card WWE performer. He rebuilt his reputation, improved his skills, and most importantly, gained creative freedom to express himself fully. The next major chapter came in 2019 when Cody Rhodes, along with the Young Bucks and Tony Khan, co-founded All Elite Wrestling AEW. This was not just a new promotion, it was a direct competitor to WWE and a fresh alternative for wrestling fans. Cody became one of the central figures of AEW, both as an executive and an in-ring performer. He delivered memorable matches, compelling promos, and helped establish AEW as a global brand. This period cemented Cody's legacy as not just a wrestler, but also a visionary who helped change the wrestling industry. In 2022, Cody shocked the world by returning to WWE at WrestleMania. His return was emotional and symbolic, as he declared his mission to finish the story, a reference to winning the World Championship that his father, Dusty Rhodes, never achieved in WWE. This storyline instantly connected with fans, making Cody one of the most beloved and supported superstars in the company. His performances, dedication, and emotional storytelling elevated him to the top of WWE once again, but this time on his own terms. Today, Cody Rhodes stands as one of the biggest stars in professional wrestling. His journey is not just about championships or fame, it is about legacy, risk-taking, reinvention, and belief in oneself. From being underestimated in WWE to building a revolution outside of it and then returning stronger than ever, Cody's story is a powerful example of how perseverance and courage can redefine a career. He is no longer just Dusty Rhodes' son, he is a main event superstar, a leader, and a symbol of modern wrestling excellence.